Hello, I'm Martin Kriński, and today I would like to tell you something about my experience and why exactly me, is the best VA you will ever met before. Just test myself. But first of all, let's start from my experience, from my requirements, employment history, job history, whatever you would like to hear about myself. I'm here to share it with you. However, to list all of my skills, all of my qualification, it is a bit difficult in this moment. Why? Because my CV have approximately 18 pages of Xero paper, A4 paper, and all right, if I start with A4 paper, what can I do for you with graphic and design? All right, so I'm proficient with using InDesign. This is Adobe software to design, to prepare any kind of leaflets, books, whatever, brochures, folders, whatever you would like to have, I can do it for you. Of course, feel happy to email me. Oh no, on Fiverr you cannot email me, but yeah, just let me know if you would like to have a proof of my work, if you would like to see my design. It will be a honor for me. So we started with design. If we make one step further, I also can edit or make some kind of simple jobs or activities with 3D projects. I'm not an expert in this case. I know how to edit file type like SLT and so on, but I know something about Fusion 316, I know something about CAD environment, and so on and so on. However, my skills are not enough proficient to design, for example, let's say the classic engine. Yeah, I cannot do it. Sorry for that, I cannot do it. But with simple models, without moving parts, should be alright. Yeah, it will take me a few moments and I can do it for you. Alright, so design. What else? I'm speaking two languages. I'm speaking Polish, I'm speaking English as well. So I can do for you any kind of translation, transcription job from Polish to English and from English to Polish. However, if you are speaking Scottish, it will be very difficult for me to understand you. But it's not an issue if you would like to have a transcription, if you would like to have any kind of typical medical article, for example. I can do it for you as well. Everything what is associated with science, it is my topic. I like it. I love it. Anyway, VA, yeah, what I know about time management, about calendar, about your schedule, and so on. Test myself. Each single day I'm working with time blocking idea. I'm in self-development from approximately altogether 5 years. So each single day I'm working with my task list. I try to assess from advance how long these particular activities will take me in order to manage my time properly. And also I will do it, I will proceed exactly the same way with your schedule, if you would like to outsource your schedule to myself. What can I do for you else? I can call to your customer, I can make a research, I can give you quite nice impression about your job. Yeah, if you need to have another pair of eyes just to review your report, I can do it for you. If we're speaking about report, probably we should speak a little bit about spreadsheets like Excel. No problem, I can do it for you, no matter how complicated spreadsheet you will send to me. If you need, for example, the dump from database like MySQL, for example, I can do it for you as well. I'm not a programmer, but I have some kind of certain skills with operating with Apache server, for example, with just basics, yes, with PHP, yeah. But please do not overload me with classic programmistic job. This is not an issue. I would like to do something interesting for you, not just only spend additional a few months with monitor. I start to care about my eyes, so I prefer to speak. I prefer to resolve any kind of issue you're experiencing. So if you have, for example, the database and you would like to make this cold connection to your customers, I can do it for you, and I'm not a cold caller. I'm treating people with empathy, so it will be quite interesting issue for me to make these telephone calls for you. In UK, yeah, I can make any kind of telephone calls without any charge, but if you would like to have it internationally, yeah, I need just SIM card, I need provided SIM card to outsource this kind of activities for you. I'm quite good with getting required informations. So if you need some kind of particular information, you need it, I can do it for you. I cannot tell you that each single information it will be easy for me just to find it for you. No, it is not. But most of the information are wide available, and if you rephrase what you are looking for, probably you can find it on web. In my life, I make many different reports. Okay, so let's give you a few examples. Last few months, I spent just only with comparing data from China about particular products, and I put these products on Amazon here in UK. Okay, internationally. However, my main job was to assess the price, expedition costs, custom fees, and so on and so on and so on, in order to generate quite nice profit. So I have experience with international trading as well, with preparing queries, requests, and so on and so on and so on. There is much more. If you need to have, if your mailbox is overloaded with unanswered messages, no problem, I can do it for you. I can manage it. Just let me know. It is 8 minutes. Oh my God! It is really hard to sell myself in this short period of time. Why? Because it is hard just to share with you all my life. Yeah, all my life in just few short moments. This is not possible. However, take a look on this environment. This is a place of my meditation. Yeah. And I hope you are alright. All the best for you. Keep going.